Hi guys, so we're going to go over some basic introductions and greetings and what I call icebreakers, just like simple conversations. Some of these words you already learned from your basic words, so it may be a review, and then we're going to put them together in phrases. Are you ready? Okay. So she's going to be signing, and I will tell you what they're saying. So she's saying, what? You learned this word. This is deaf. Pointy mouth and ear. Deaf. All right. Our next word or phrase. So two motions. How are you? How are you? We're twisting and pointing. How are you? Take your B hand shape, tap to the top. This is a formal way of saying hello. Hello. You can also just wave hello. He's pointing, and what is that? You. Okay. So do you remember this sign that you learned from basic words? This is good morning. We're going to use our dominant hand as our right hand that we do our alphabet on. That's the hand that's going to be called the dominant hand, which is going to do most of the signing. So this is good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. This is one way to answer. I'm fine. Pretty basic way to answer that. So if you want to ask, what's happening? What's up? What's going on? The sign means what's up. We're taking our middle index or our middle fingers, putting them on the side of our chest, and we're going up and out. What's up? Not up, not like that, not like this, and not like that. We're going to just go up and out. What's up? What's up? Really quick. So again, what was the sign? You should have learned it in your basic words. This is hearing. Hearing. We are hearing. So this one, good afternoon. We don't use it that much, but good afternoon. It's good to know. And as you can tell, this is a picture, a still picture. You can read it as the arrows are going up and down. That's your head. And this is your hand. Yes. Yes, that's how you sign. Yes. So, nice meeting you or nice to meet you. Nice to meet you or nice meeting you. You can also go that way as well. Where is it? There we go. So, see you later. See? And then the L for later. It's like almost like two different letters. You can also do see you later or see you later or see you later. There's different ways to sign that. See you later. That's how I like to sign it. So speaking about like, we're going to take our thumb and our middle finger, pull them together, like. Like. I like it. Yes, I like it. I like it. You do touch your chest, like it. Hard of hearing. We got H and H. H. It's hard of hearing. So we have deaf, we have hearing, and now we have hard of hearing. So when somebody asks you, how are you? Meh, okay, or fine, or good. So we got like, and now we have don't like. Don't like it. You're taking it and you're tossing it away. Don't like it. Shake that head. Don't like it. So this is not the sign for stop. So this is the sign for your. So we're going to go boom. Yours. Yours. mine, me, you, and yours. So what is this? This is the sign for happy. Happy. It's like you're boosting yourself up. Happy. Make sure you have the facial expressions to match the sign. So she's asking a question. You name what? Translates into your name what? You name what? That means what's your name? I like the sign. Your name what? What's your name? So, did you see what she said? Deaf, hearing, which means deaf, hearing, which. It means, are you deaf or hearing? That's a question a lot of deaf people like to ask. So this one, how are you again? Good. Good. Not to be confused with thank you. Good and thank you. A little bit different there. So what's this? Just sign by itself? It is name. So by itself, with a G, the letter G, down the hand, grade. 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 Later we'll learn the phrase, what grade are you in? There it is. So we got grade, which. Grade, which. So that's which grade are you in, or what grade are you in? So this is how you say my name. They're saying me name if you want to label each sign. So you can also translate it as I'm called Trina, or me name Trina, or my name Trina. So it depends on how you want to sign it. Oh, I forgot to do me. Okay, so that's something that you should learn before the end of this class. Definitely, that's a basic sign. So this one is good night. Good night. The sun is going down, and it's a good night. Another thing you can ask somebody as a conversation starter, you like to do. So they could say reading. They like to read. I like to read. I like reading. Okay, so this is your book, your eyeballs, and your reading. She's holding it up like that. I like to hold my book like this. Same. Sorry, my son is in there playing video games. He's loud. So this one, she's asking a question. She has a slight frown. You're supposed to kind of have the question eyebrow. They call it a kind of like a frown. So, or means what's your name? Again, what was that one? Good night. Okay, so I think they're repeating, are you deaf or hearing? So later, I want you to go back, and I'm going to put it on your practice part. Yourself, go through the signs and click on the correct answers. All right, and try to learn those answers, and later you're going to be signing it if you want to. All right, guys, bye-bye.